good afternoon. We are in RABBITON Farm and we are with our tour guide. What's your name, Kuya? Huh? Sandy. Yes. Sandy Onis. So if you're going to visit this farm, maybe, So I'm with my family, with my sister. Yes. Very hot right now. Yay. And then with Cleo and Shelabel.
Hi!
Where's Shelabel?
Hi!
Oh.
Double beer ko, Maya.
And of course,
Hello!
Marceline and Sojay. And Kuya.
That was so beautiful.
Hello. We're going to visit and check out the place. Thank you, Beb. And of course, it's a very nice place. As per our conversation with the reception girl a while ago, this farm opened last November 29. Yes, 2019. So this is one of the tourist spots here in Pamplona. So gamit ko ani because it's very very hot. Oh my gosh. Sayang ang ako ang paputi. Joke. Wala akong paputi in fairness. Natural skin. Ay, thank you kuya. So here,
Wow.
RABBITON.
Butterfly pea.
Yes. Oh, that's so. They also have here the lavender pea. RABBITON. Yay. Abi na ko Louis Vuitton na ana ko na RABBITON. So, dapat if you're going to visit this place, dapat in every area you have to take a photo. So you will have a collection of yes. So we have 70 kinds of herbs here. Oregano, oy. Murag mangayo kag oregano. Yes. Medicine for cough. Yes. This is medicinal. Ay, herbal medicine. Yes. So, while my sister is busy taking Sige kuya, say next na to. A turmeric. Asan ko na ni? A turmeric, akani. Nang your favorite ng turmeric. So right now, we're really using init tayo. Okay, namin. Okay. So we have here turmeric. Katakataka, no? Oh, tawa-tawa? Tawa-tawa. This is the herbal medicine for dengue. Yes. Wow, kalami sa panahon. Okay, so tawa-tawa. And here's the benefits of tawa-tawa. So wow, so we have a lot of learnings here. If you're going to visit this farm, you will not only enjoy the view and yes, there's a lot of medicinal, herbal medicine. Makahiya is for Mimosa pudica. The scientific name of makahiya is Mimosa pudica. Okay. Asthma. Oh. Tambal siya sa asthma. And ginger, that's Zingiber officinale. So guys, introducing to you the Greek oregano. Yes. Greek oregano. And Oreganum vulgare. That's the scientific name of Greek oregano. Tapos stick oregano. Okay, so stick oregano. You can use this. Ano? Yes, you can include this in your recipe. Add on to your ingredients. Yes. There's a different kinds of basil here. We have the Thai basil. That's Ocimum basilicum. There's a mineral, vitamins and minerals. This is spinach. And of course, we also have here the holy basil. Holy basil. So, it's antibacterial, antifungal, protects your body against toxic. It's also anti-inflammatory. So I think we have a good weather now. Di na masyadong mainit, so we can enjoy the tour better with Kuya Santi. Insulin. Okay. So this is for the diabetic patient. Okay. So that's insulin plan. Ito yun. Ito. Ayan po. Serpentina is also anti-inflammatory. Wow. Oh, so you mean ka ng mga like dysmenorrhea, something like that. Okay. So serpentina.
Can we check on something else?
Yeah, patong para sa insulin. Insulin na
Okay, go. Sige, let's move forward, Kuya. Oh. Wow. Met Enoves basil. Oh. Diba? So, good for digestion, anti-inflammatory, and fights free radical activity. So, ito po yun. Ito yung, ano niya. Ito yung plant. Ayun. Yan po. So, very, very nice to look at kasi yung area is arranged masyado. Tsaka colorful. So, mai-enjoy mo siya.
We know this.
Okay. Sa mga mahilig dyan, sa aloe vera, meron po tayo dito. Aloe berbadensis. Okay. Treats certain skin conditions. Prevents cavities. Arugula, that's for detoxification of body. Eye protection. Ooh. There's also miracle fruit, oh. Helps patients receiving chemotherapy ng the miracle fruit. So, tarragon. Relieves stomach cramps. Uy, I think this is what we need. Oo. Here's the flower. Catnip. nagdi-dysmenorrhea. This is very helpful. Yun, ayan po. Catmint. This is a very interesting tour. This is Selosh. Oh, improves vision. Okay. Oh, okay, so this is the yellow. Oh, there's also a red Selusha over there. Yes, that's just the same with this one. Also, the usage and the benefits are just the same. Oh, ito yun. Tahibo. Tahibo. Ito yung very known na tahibo plant. Yan, cat whisker siya. Orthosiphon aristatus. So, yan. And this is the plant. Ayan. Tapos, this is the most awaited. Yes, Rosel Nava is here. Hibiscus sabdarifa. O, di ba? It maintains healthy teeth. Before?
Oh, yeah, Rosel.
Really?
Yes, mama.
Ah,
Galing as lumon.
really?
Oh, na.
Di ba ginakaon na to before? Really? Ito pala yun. Hello, Rosel. Hi, Rosel Nava. So, Hibiscus sabdarifa. So, meron din pala kami nito dati. In Calumbuyan, in our province.
Kaya kaning yung petal, di ba? Para kaulong siya.
Yes. So, pwede siya makaon. Ay, oo, naka-remember ko gakaon. Oh my God, nakakaon ko ani before. Wow. So, muna ni siya. So, we also have catnip. This is catnip for nervous disorder. Tsaka, you can also take alok na lang din po sa mga benefits niya here. And then if you really want to know more about this, you can come here and visit and enjoy the tour. This is, ano po yun? Peppermint. Oo, the peppermint. Oh, sige, use. Peppermint. Ito yung dinadagdag sa ano sa Colgate. So, yun, bumalik na naman si Haring Araw. Ang init ulit. Ah, ito yung spearmint. So, layo bagkaon, ging. Pwede rin eh. Pwede. Mentholated ba? Oo. Badbet ka, dili. Joke. Dili, oy, madahal. Oh my God, guys. We just discovered today. Oo, sige, go. No, we combined the stevia. What is this? Yes. Stevia. So, kumuha kami ng kahit na maliit lang na leaf. Tapos, kumuha din kami dito yung sa spearmint. Ayun po. Ito. Yan. Tapos, kinain ko. Mentos talaga yung ano niya, yung taste.
Ang result.
Yung result, oo. What do you call this? Onion? Lick? So, onion lick. Oh, hey, ito yun. So, kung gusto nyo po na... Oh, onion lick. So, kung gusto nyo po na makita yung giant na sibuyas na dahon ba yan? Ayun. Ito po siya. Welcome to RABBITON Farm. The giant sibuyas dahon. Ayun. Ang lalaki niya talaga, oh, di ba? Parang ano, kahit na ito lang yung kukunin natin, pwede na tayong magluto. Tinulang isda. Tinulang isda. Ayun, mainit na ulit. Pero okay lang. Worth that no naman. Now, the learnings. Yes, so ito yun. We also have here the curly parsley and the Italian. So commonly guys, ito po yung nilalagay pang-add sa mga decoration. Naglalagay or like nag-arrange na ng food na about to be served sa mga ano, sa mga customers. Si Rosemary. Oh my God, nandito ka lang pala, Rosemary. Hindi mo sinabing dito ka na. Ito yun si Rosemary. Rosemary. English, Rosemary. Saan ni siya? Okay. So you can also add this in your food na niluluto para mas bango siya. So lalabas na po kami. Ano nga yung natin, RABBITON? Ano yung RABBITON? So ibig sabihin pala ng RABBITON is it's all about herbs. Okay, so yun na yun, yung pinakita namin kanina. Ngayon naman, we are going to Pigiton. And that means na siya, babuyan pala siya. So, Pigiton. Welcome to Pigiton. From the word pig. Pig at saka si iton. So, Pigiton. Ito na yun, di ba? Grabe talaga yung mga Ayun. Ayan guys, so we're on our way. Tapos na kami kay Pigiton. We're on our way to Chiquiton. Oh my God. Amazing talaga yung mga names, di ba? RABBITON, Chiquiton, Pigiton, Louis Vuitton. Di ba? Masaya. Okay. So, we're gonna show you in a while the Chiquiton. So, sabi nila, meron daw mga rainbow colors na mga chicken. Yung egg is rainbow color. Okay. Yung egg pala yung rainbow color. So, titingnan natin. Okay lang na mainit kasi para naman magiging, yung pagkatan ko, di ba, mas siya. Mas magandang tingnan. Meron akong sombrero. Meron din akong payong. Kompleto na, di ba? Kung kailan hindi na masyadong mainit. Okay, so guys, you will meet later Chiquiton. Different colors yung egg po yan.
Pero wala, nag-paint na.
Ha?
Nag-paint.
Kuya, nagtanong si Joaquin.
Wala, nag-paint.
Hindi ba daw nag-paint or gipaint siya? Okay. So, since maraming tao sa Chiquiton, pupunta kami ngayon ng Rabbit Village. Rabbit Village. Ito na yun yung Rabbiton. Rabbit House? Kuya, let's go to Rabbit House muna. Rabbit House, andun yung talaga. Madaming rabbit. Come on na. Sige, go. Let's go, kuya. Okay, so we have a map. Shaila Bell is showing me the map.
Adult is 250.
That's the entrance gate.
Kids is 150.
Yes, that's the entrance. So for adult po, you just need to pay 250 if you want with snacks. Pag wala naman, you can just pay 150. And pag kids naman, 100 for entrance and 150 with snacks.